Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port flex on the Oneplus 5T mobile phone. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then undo two bottom screws using a T2 screwdriver. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the charger port using a pry tool or picker. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or picker and gently move around the phone to release the frame's plastic clips. While taking out the back cover, be gentle, there are flex cables attached to the back cover. Next, by using a tweezer, take out the shield and then disconnect the battery and charging port connectors. Next, on the right hand side, unplug the fingerprint connector plug, and then the back cover can leave the body. Next, on the rear side of the back cover, undo two bottom screws on top of the charging port, and then undo two more screws on the right hand side of the charger port. Next, apply a little heat to the charger port to soften the glue under it. Next, slowly peel the broken charging flex cable with the headphone jack. Next, place the new charging port flex with the headphone jack and add 4 screws to secure the flex cable. Next, connect the battery, charging port flex and fingerprint flex connectors into the logic board. And also place the shield on top of the battery and charging port connectors. Next, clamp up the back cover to the body, starting on top and then follow to the bottom, and make sure the rear cover clips are secure on the frame. Next, insert the SIM tray and turn on the phone, and then secure 2 more screws at the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the charging port replacement guide on Oneplus 5T mobile phone. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button.